In this video, I'll guide you through how to redirect a Namecheap domain to a website. If you've bought a domain on Namecheap and you want anyone who visits it to be sent straight to another website or page, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go slowly, step by step, so even if you're new to domains, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, you'll need to sign into your Namecheap account and go to your main dashboard. This is the page you see after logging in, where you can view your products and services. From here, look for the section that shows your domains. You might see it labeled simply as domains or domain list, depending on how your dashboard is laid out. Once you're on the domain list page, find the domain you want to redirect. This is the domain name people will type in, like example.com. To the right of that domain, you'll see a button or link labeled Manage. Click on Manage to open the settings for that specific domain. This is where you can control how the domain behaves. After you open the domain settings, you'll land on the domain tab by default. If for any reason you're on another tab, make sure you click back to the one labeled domain. This tab contains general options, including the redirect settings we need. Now scroll down the page until you find the section called Redirect Domain. This section lets you send visitors from your domain to another URL automatically. If you don't see any redirect set up yet, the section might look mostly empty with an option to add a new redirect. Click the button that says Add Redirect. This will open a small form with two main fields, source URL and destination URL. These are important, so let's break them down clearly. In the source URL field, type the domain you want to redirect. In most cases, you can simply enter your domain name like example.com. If you want to include a specific subdomain such as blog.example.com, you can enter that instead. The source is basically where visitors start. Next, move to the destination URL field. This is the full link where you want people to land when they visit your Namecheap domain. Make sure you paste the complete URL, including HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning. For example, it might look like https:/yourwebsite.com landing page. Check that this link is correct and working, because this is where your visitors will be sent. Once both fields are filled out and you're confident they're accurate, save your changes. You should see some sort of confirmation in your Namecheap dashboard that the redirect has been added. Keep in mind that redirects might not work instantly. It can take a few minutes, and in some cases a bit longer, for the changes to fully take effect across the internet. After a few minutes, open a new browser tab and type your Namecheap domain into the address bar. When everything is set up correctly, you should be automatically redirected to the destination website you entered earlier. That's all there is to it. You've now redirected your Namecheap domain to a website using the redirect settings in your dashboard.